dito habang nagluluto. May bata. Wait mo ha. Lisag mami ha. Uy mo na ang video. Usaman. Tanaw siya sa niluto. Usaman na. Lagay ko itong aking beef na minarinate. Ay, gusto. Ang baby ni mommy. Say hello. Hello. Oh, bulingin. Nagkuan di gwa day ka lang. Si Jenny tinutulungan si Jack magkuan. I think it's in the bag. Good job. Na ano nila nilalagyan ng tawag dito. Kana ba? Unsa gani na? What do you call that, nak? Seat belt?
No.
I can't find my key. Where did I put it?
In the pocket.
What pocket?
Look, we just got in there.
Yes.
Thank you, my darling.
Come here, Jenny.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mayroon palang daanan dito. Done one? Good job. Okay, we'll close this now. That's okay. That's okay. You don't need all of it. I'll get his blanket now. He likes it. Galing kami sa clinic dahil paano sana namin si Jack.
Why did you not do anything in there?
Because they said Jack is a bit early.
Oh.
Yung ipa-check sana namin ba? Yeah? Turn it then. Sabi ni Wayne na, sabi ko kay Wayne, hindi na ako pupunta dahil late na ako. Ang confirmation kasi nila na oras is hindi tama. So sabi ni Wayne, puntahan mo na lang. Sabi niya, the baby is a bit early daw. Hindi mo, kung gusto ko daw mag-rebook ulit. Doon pa namin si Jackie, ano daw, nandyan. Tapos itong Jessica, hindi nag-aral na naman. Absinot kayo. Come ka, it's cold. What shoe? I don't know. You okay, Jack?
How did the shoe get up there?
I don't know, anak. 11 man na nagdidi. 11, 12, 1, 2. 2 o'clock pa na magdidi si Jack. Tara. So ngayon, nagkuha ko ng pram. Kaya binitbit ko lang siya papunta dyan. So kailangan ko ng pram kaya medyo mabigat kasi si Jack. No, you said you want to go there. Happy si Jessica. Kagabi nag-usap kami ng kanyang tatay na sa lahat ng aming anak, si Jessica yung pinaka may mahirap na childhood, yung newborn stage niya, dahil kailangan niyang gumising na maaga, kailangan ko siyang i-drop sa isang Pilipina. Yun yung sinabi ko. Be careful ha! Nakabisi naman dito oy. Diyan kami galing sa clinic. So next time babalik kami dito sa clinic. Let's cross Tabok. Tabok dito, Tabok. Tabok. Hala, baho ang marijuana oy. Oh, dito, diri.
I like that smell.
Napatay. Marijuana mangguna na. Mahay yun yung mga bata, magtawa-tawa na ni mamaya. Madami kasing adik-adik dito, pero hindi naman niya nakakaano daw yung MJ. Unsa naman ni ating mga anak? Para tayong nasa Pinas today. Nasa ano tayo, sa rough na place dito sa Newport. Ito yung pinaka-ano dito, yung parang Pilipinas siya. Magulo, madumi.
And then I was peeking through something like this, and then someone said something to me.
Who? Oh yeah, someone shouted at you.
No,
Dito kami, dalhin ko sila dito
say
kay.
again.
Hala, I don't think we can go. Can we go? Or no? I think we can. he's cleaning. Sorry, are we allowed to go in? Oh, thank you. Yes, please. Thank you so much. You can go then there. Go play. Ito dito, binago na nila. Hindi to ganito dati eh. Maano to dito, madumi. Everyday may nag-check ng mga screws, mga ganyan. Was it like this last time when we come na?
Yeah.
No, this one, I mean, this JJ.
It looks different.
Is it the grass? Go play. Go in the slide. Go JJ. Go Jenny. Yes? What? They changed it. They made it new. It was old before. Don't be scared. It's okay. Go. Go. Jenny just done it. Just slowly. Whee! Did you like it?
I feel this stage.
Did you? Jenny is not scared. Unsa naman ni ating camera Jack? Hello. Jack. Sa kadiya. Alang hilak na. Naglaag among Jack sa park. Naglaag ang Jack sa park. Nahan ka sa park? Parang ayaw niya sa hangin eh. No? Hala, kung ano-ano lang talagang trip nilang dalawa ay. Pwede pala kami, no? Every weekend dito kami kay para hindi sila makagadget ba? Magkain kami, tapos dito lang kami always. Dalhin namin si Jack para walang panic. Tapos dito, oh, hindi ka man magutuman kay meron mga asda. Are you fighting again? Before kami umalis sa bahay, nag-away pa itong dalawa. Na high blood pa ako, sumigaw pa ako sa bahay. Tapos umiyak pa si Jeannie kay nasigawan. Punta kami dito. Dami nilang pang garden, uy. Tapos pag winter, kay mag-molds lang yan. Kay sobrang lamig.
We're eating bird seeds.
Uy, kamahal. Tag 30 pound yun siya, oh.
And doggy.
Yung doggy. Hindi ako namimili ng mga bagong mga ganito kay namahalan ako ba. Bundle, isang bundle nito is ano na, mga 30 pieces na isang damit lang, 30 pieces na sa bundle. When is the Father's Day na? Father's Day. You have to surprise Daddy on the Father's Day.
I'm in school.
Did you make something? Yeah, that's nice for Jack.
I don't know. Yay!
Wait, hawa. There's a food. Yeah, it's a jacket for Jack. Huh? Is it? Oh, this one as well. Oh, they have nice shorts here, anak. Do you like that shorts? Oh, tag 12 pound man ka mahal ba anak oy? Yes, nice. How about shoes? Shall we check shoes? Jenny, come here. Oh wow, they have nice like this anak oh. Look, they have nice like this. Come back later lang. We'll just that's nice lang. See this?
This one.
Nak, Jenny, look. It's nice.
Mommy, this one has these little stuff.
Si Wayne ka, ayaw niya ako magsuot niyang Crocs para daw akong tanga.
Look at these.
What shoes they got? Ay, wala man silang mga magagaan lang.
Mommy, we have these.
Yes.
It's
That one is nice because it's,
Mommy.
see, it's not
But I have them on.
before.
I have them on.
It wasn't
No, this one's
heavy.
It's
Yes.
kitty.
That one, oh, is pretty, oh.
So this one.
Pretty, but that's
Look at
heavy.
this
You won't
one.
even like that.
Mommy, look at this.
Yeah, that's
Mommy,
nice.
look at this skirt.
Hello, uy, busy kay si Jenny ay upang on sa skirt. Let's go
Why
na
this
lang.
tops? Yeah.
Let's go outside, B. B.
Let's go back to the park.
Dagoy ni Jenny, uy. Nakol, you like Crocs lang?
Only this thing.
Sorry. This one lang. You like that one? Like this, Jenny?
Croc.
No?
No, I like this.
Hello, kabati ang
I like
nagdagoy.
this one more. They're so small.
You like that formation?
They're so small.
Just like this as well, Jenny. Oh, unicorn.
Yeah, unicorn. That's not a unicorn, but it's too small.
No, they're big. See?
It's size 28. No, 10.
But
Size
your
10.
feet will go kuan man anak. Mulusot man yung feet anak lang. Yeah. Slippers. Special offers there. I like the barbecue thing. Hoy, lami kay mag-ana o mag-cocktail. Magpaano ba? Magpalipong-lipong. Ano? Gabayad-bayad, magpalipong. Press it, please.
Why? Why are you going here?
Jack is hungry.
What do you press?
That one.
Yeah. 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 What is this one?
Mas maganda yung mas malaki compare sa Morrisons. Tapos, mas malapit pa ito sa amin compare sa Morrisons. Hindi siya tuyuunon ba? Uy, hilak man! May nagsabi sa akin ba, bakit daw binibisaya ko si Jack? Ayaw ni English ko si Jack.
This one?
Yes, please.
I got number 1. No, I did.
Look, hilak na si Jack.
Mommy, why is there never go even make you eat it?
I don't know.
You do.
Fast, look. Go. Yes, we're going there now, Jack.
Is this one open? Yeah.
Go there. Kids eat for £1 all day, every day.
They did it. Coffee.
What can you eat there, though?
That's baby.
Baby changing.
That's we not baby.
Push it, please. Open it for mommy, please. Oh, wow, it's nice over here. Ang ganda dito sa Asda. Meron silang pang baby. Lock natin kay matagal. Ha, ako man ko'y magpadidi diha. That's where you gonna change. It's so clean. I like it here. It's nice, no?
Yeah, but did I always clean?
Yes, Asda's clean. Bihawa sa kadya, Jenny. Kay mommy will...
Oh, yeah. I thought we
Ali,
I
Jack.
thought we were in somewhere else.
What's somewhere else?
I don't know.
Jack, dali na Jack. Gutom naman ni si Jack. Baka kakain kami dyan
Mommy,
mamaya.
I didn't know. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Yeah?
You close the door. One hand. Let me
Maybe we have to... Maybe Jack did cook. Did he cook?
No, you check.
Cook, Jack?
But you have no nappies.
Bihawa kay mommy will sit.
But you have no nappies.
I have in the bag.
Oh. Can I try to? I want to try to reach it. So let me try. I don't want to wash my hands. I don't want to wash my hands.
Andiyan mo ng baby.
There's no cold.
Oh, hindi na ha? Hindi na? Turn off the camera lang, babe.
This one. No, this one.
Binisan ko muna si Jack kay parang nag-CR. Napi? Wet wipes. May gubot kayong dalawa ay. Oh, tanawa ko sila mag-sing. Dugsing. Dugsing. What? Yeah, that's okay. Awa, guna sila, oh. Gumampuan ba?
Stop, you have to
Ako natangtang ang kanyang dress. Wala, nag-CR dito. Ang dami pa ilaw. Gasan mo lang siguro yung puwet niya, no? Diyan, oh. Ayaw na lang may kay baka pagalitan tayo.
Mommy, I can see Jack's eyes doing this again.
Say no.
Jackie.
No. Nandidiri si Jenny. Pag magtai si Jack ay
This
mandidiri
is how I
siya.
do it.
No, ba? Enough ba?
But you just let me do it. Password. We need the password for the chair. Hey, come, yeah, I mean, Mommy.
Yes?
I see Jack's eyes doing that. Again.
He's looking at you.
Password for and
He's
the
thinking,
password
who's this?
girl. And the password girl was buddy. And the password girl. And the password girl. So come here, I'm the password girl. Go away. Now we have to do the password. Stay skeleton. No. You will kind of turn to Fox Snake
No, kaya
side.
yung susi ng sasakyan.
But then go.
Please ko yung susi.
No,
No, don't hurt each other, ha?
I'm not your husband. I'm not your You do the Skippy skeleton. Skippy skeleton. Stop. Stupid. If you wanted to. Scooby. Stop.
Ay, no hurting like that. Mura man mo mga lalaki. Parang mga lalaki itong anak ko. Kaya magsigod siya. Where's the bin na?
Oh, let's go back out.
No, I put in the wrong one. Here.
Hiya, backward.
Never
Swing it
mind.
out.
Wait, Sabi, look at your brother. I will fold this one. Typing your face. Hawa sa lang.
Come back. This is Okay, go in the teeny bottom.
Yeah.
This is the teeny
Jack,
bottom.
what
Go
are
in
you
the
doing?
teeny bottom.
Diyan si Jack.
JJ, this way you go in the teeny bottom in the toilet.
Ito ang isa, oh.
Okay, let's go to the
Oh, ako lang yung baliw na may tatlong anak na naaalagaan, di ba?
Let's go.
Strawberry. Wala silang price. Andito si Jack, oh. Iwan ko
Me,
bakit.
I got this by myself.
Yeah. Nobody's eating. Nangain ng mga inday. Ganyan lang, 15 pound. Hoy, bakit ang mahal-mahal? Si Jack? Tapos na yan siya magidi, oy. Relax, relax lang ang bata. Okay, go then. Sorry.
But
You have to put your jacket. I think it's a bit cold outside. Yung dalawa nakapunta na kaming Asda, nakabalik na dito, pabalik-balik na, punta na kami ng Asian shop. Ayaw pa rin lang umuwi. Siguro dalhin ko to sila dito every kuan, kay bakit gusto nila dito? Para hindi mag-iPad. Ilagay ko tong aking pinambili dito kay at I hope wala yung paa ni Jack. Gising na si Jack, nagkuan siya. Nagtawag nito, nagbamit. Lang, tiil de ito. Let's go na ta, oy. This is like... Come na. Hilom lang ang sisi, brother nila, oh. Uy, kalamig ng ilikon. Don't shout, please. Ano sa man mo diya? Nangabungol na mong duha. Puro mga hyper ba? Kanina pa yan sila magsiging guksi.
No, I want to pick it.
Who's that white car coming?
And the red one.
Did it turn? Or no?
JJ.
Turning.
That one's not. That one's not turning. You have to do the entrance. Baba. He turned.
Yeah? Clear? Clear? Jenny, please.
Yes. Just about the
Mga bata, samo kayo. Can't even kuan, ask to clean the living room. Ya kamu daghan kay mo request nako.
That's me and JJ tidied it.
Tidy did. I didn't see you, you tidy. You didn't help. Antay lang mo next time, ha?
But I did it.
Mag-beef na lang kami. Nagbili ako nito. Hala, kaya akala ko man pwede magbili-bili doon ng tag-isa lang. Itong apple. Ay, ano to siya? Guava. Hindi pala pwede. Naulawan ko doon. Kaya nanguha ako ng mangga. Yun, oh. Sabi ko, matamis ba to? Parang matamis naman siya. Naisahang kainan ko lang to. Pero pag mangga ng kuanon, sabi la, sorry, we're not selling kuan daw. Nagkuha ako, ganun, dalawa, kuha ko. Hara, kay box pala ang kuan nila, 13 mahala. Sobrang mahal. Yung ganitong box nila, tag more than 11 or 12. Kaayo. Nagbili ako dito last time sa Morrison. Ang mahal din. Yan pala yung box pala yung mabaho. Teka lang, magluto muna ako ng beef. Oy. Ginny, mommy lost the key.
You did that.
Agay! Mapak maglubot. Go! Dito namin ilagay ito. Kay bakit? Hindi ako nakadala ng shopping bag. Nandun sa loob ng bahay. Si Jack nandito pa sa loob. Kagabi, nag-usap kami ni Wayne. Tapos, as in, hindi ko mapigilan yung aking luha sa aking na-discoveryaan. Discoveryaan? Ansa daw? Sa aking na-discovery ba na sinabi ni Wayne sa akin, kagagaling niya lang trabaho. Ang nangyari is na ano daw siya ba? Nagtaka daw siya, bakit daw kuno na yung lahat ng mga kausap niya is mga malalaking tao, mga boss, mga higher na sa kanya. Tapos nasa meeting daw siya. Tapos nagtaka siya na hindi man dapat siya kasali dahil head lang man yan siya dun sa boss yan siya sa depo na kanyang tinatrabahuan. Alam nyo yung binibisita namin sometimes doon sa pupunta kami sa kanya tinatrabahuan. Hala uy, as in pag sabi bitaw ni Wayne sa akin, hindi ko alam yung na-feel ko na as in hindi ko mapigilan yung aking luha. Sabi ko, I'm happy for you, honey. Nya nag-iyak na ako para kog nabuang.
Water bottle.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hala, kuhaon sa ko niya akong jacket, Mac.
And how about
Oy,
this
Jack
one?
is awake.
And how about this one?
Okay. Put your bag in the side, please. Okay, I need this space here. Namili ako ng maraming smoothie para hindi sila mag-inom ng Coke. Tapos sabi niyan, you know what, mommy? I have a feeling na baka daw ma-promote pa siya sa another na higher position. At doon ako na-shock ako sa kanya. Dahil si Wayne kasi manager yan siya dati. Kahit simple na yan siya ngayon. Matalino na tao si Wayne. Ang kanilang daddy sobrang talino. Kaya dati manager yan siya sa isang malaking company. Tapos sabi ko nga sa kanya, honey, why don't you go back sa managerial? Sabi niya, hindi na daw, ayaw niya daw kay grabe ka ng labad daw sa ulo, ang daming gagawin. Tapos nagigilty siya pag sometimes na siya yung mag-sort sa tao, tapos yung iba. Sabi ko, did you experience as well na tinanggalan mo ng trabaho yung tao dati? Sabi niya, yes. And na-feel guilty daw siya. Ngayon parang nakukonsensya siya to think about it na nangyari before. So yun na nga, yung sinabi niya sa akin na sinali daw siya, tapos nag-discussion daw doon sa kanilang trabaho sa isang meeting. Puro yun lahat ng mga hire sa kanya. Siya lang yung medyo mababa na posisyon ba. Nya, nabuang man ko, oy, kay bakit? Naiyak yun ako sa aking nalaman na pag sabi niya sa akin na kanang, mami, you know what? I think kanang mayroon silang plano na isama ako sa kanilang group, ipo-promote nila ako sa higher na posisyon. Unya, na proud ako sa kanya, as in proud ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, honey, you know what? I'm so proud of you. Sabi ko, sabi niya na, thank you. Sabi, sometimes lang kasi ako ganyan, showy kay Wayne na mga proud ako sa kanya. Hindi ako ganyan na pagkaasawa. Pero nung pagsabi niya, sabi ko, honey, I'm so proud of you. Umiyak man ako. Sabi ko, I don't know why I feel so emotional. Iwan ko, mayroon nga yung record sa CCTV, pero hindi ko nakuha. Kaya ang aking CCTV, everyday, nagre-refresh na siya. Kaya hindi na ako nagbabayad ng yung ma-store, bitaw yung history. Hindi ako nagbabayad kay mahal. Pero everyday, meron CCTV. Pag nakalimutan ko i-download, mawala. Sayang, hindi ko nakunan yung aming conversation na yun. Sobrang ano pa naman yun. Sobrang ganda pa naman pakinggan na. As in, sabi niya sa akin, hindi yun ako makapaniwala sa nangyari, mami, ay na. Salihin nila ako sa malaking meeting. Unsa naman ni siya? Why did? Just there. It's just lettuce. Artikay ka lang ay. Dalon tanong kag bukid bata ka. Si Jack? Hi.
Hello.
Gising na aming baby. Baby na mo. Ay ka lang. Daghan kayo among kuan, grocery gyud. Butang ra nako diha kay wala akong bag nga. Mr. Jack. Nagdudula-dula si Jack. Si Wayne kasi dati may kutob na yan siya na baka ma-promote na naman siya sa another position. Sabi ko, honey, it might take a little bit longer pero I think na isasali siya sa yung mga non-working bitaw na mga manager. Nasa office lang kay matalino kasi si Wayne, matalino siya magdala sa mga tao. Proud kayo ko kay ako bugok ba ako no nya. Yung aking napangasawa kay sobrang talino na tao. Proud ako sa kanya. Kahit simple lang yung trabaho niya ngayon, hindi ganoon kalaki ba ang salary. Tawa-tawa man ni bulingit naman ning liwat sa among daddy. Liwat man ni sa daddy. It's warm anak. Wait the Jack, wait the Jack. Sorry. Hala, natuhog siguro. What is it?
Maybe it's because he was sitting on that.
Oh, sorry, Jack. Are you hungry? Huh?
No? Ano?
Maybe he's hungry, anak. Wait ka kang mami, ha? I will feed you there at the back. Kung mahilak na naman. Ito yung bangko ni Jenny. Oh, bulingit. Nagkuan-digwa day ka lang? Nagdigwa day ka? Ha? Nagdigwa o tignan yung dito niya. Sobrang dumi. Eh, si mama. I-on ko yung car kay medyo mainit. Para ma-on yung aircon. So hopefully no ma-promote si Wayne
Baby.
dahil proud na proud ako sa kanya. Pag mga ganyan bitaw, ma-emotional ako para sa kanya. Wait there. Like i-on ko muna aircon.
He's so cute.
Jack liwat ni Daddy.
No, don't cry. Don't cry, okay, girl? You can tell Mama no. Mama? Yeah? No. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, yesterday. No. Don't cry. Don't cry, my little baby.
You crying, Jack?
Yeah? You want?
Just looking around.
Mom, Jack was crying.
Let's go home na.